Do you know this product, Top Bond, white glue, Top Bond? There's this product called Top Bond, produced in Nigeria. It's a white glue Top Bond, produced in Nigeria, and it's exported to Benin Republic. And as a matter of fact, the export of Top Bond to the Republic was over $455,000. You're welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Info on DBA TV, and thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Dele Ayemibo. In this video, I'll be talking about what you can export to different countries around the world, and this is based on what Nigeria exported to those countries in 2022. This will give you an idea of what is doable, what you can export yourself, but more importantly also is the fact that it lets you know the volume that was done to those countries, different items done to those countries, giving you an idea of the fact that you don't also need to produce this product yourself. You can find the people producing this product locally and look for buyers in those countries. Because those countries already buy from Nigeria, that means they are okay with the quality of the product currently being exported by Nigeria to those countries. So I will start today with Benin Republic. Export of Nigeria to Benin Republic is actually as high as $74 million in 2022. $74 million in 2022. So the question is, what are the things that Nigeria exported to Benin Republic? Nigeria exports wire rod coil. Wire rod coil is one of the major products that Nigeria exported to Benin Republic. Wire rod coil. And this wire rod coil that Nigeria exported to Benin Republic was about $13 million. Can you imagine that? $13 million. Wire rod coil. Nigeria exported PVC pipe. Nigeria exported raw coal, about $100,000 to Benin Republic. And I'm talking about just last year, 2022. Nigeria exported snack, various kinds of snack. I was at an event this week, and the customer officer was talking about different products. Do you know this product, Top Bond, white glue, Top Bond? There's this product called Top Bond, produced in Nigeria. It's a white glue Top Bond, produced in Nigeria, and it's exported to Benin Republic. And as a matter of fact, the export of Top Bond to the Republic was over $455,000. Who say you cannot export to even neighboring countries? Even super glue was exported to Benin Republic. Super glue, tissue paper. Can you know jumbo tissue paper is exported to Benin Republic. Jumbo tissue paper. Steel wire rod exported to Benin Republic. PVC pipe exported to Benin Republic. Prepared cement additives exported to Benin Republic. Premium rice exported to Benin Republic. Plastic cup exported to Benin Republic. Onions, pepper, and paint were exported to Benin Republic. That particular customer started talking about so many Nigerians, alcoholic and non-alcoholic drink exported to Benin Republic. Maggi Cube is exported to Benin Republic in large number. Maggi Cube export is over $400,000. Hibiscus flowers, hair attachment, the one produced by Lush, hair attachment exported to Benin Republic. Granite exported to Benin Republic. Granular urea exported to Benin Republic. Ginger, fresh ginger. Empty bottles. Empty 300 ml, 600 ml, empty bottles. Empty branded aluminum can exported to Benin Republic. Are you still thinking of what you can export to Benin Republic? CO2 gas. CO2 gas were exported to Benin Republic. CO2 gas. Bedroom slippers, adult size, exported to Benin Republic. Bituminous coal, bitumen, even beans were exported to Benin Republic. Even beans were exported by the Republic. Are you still thinking of what to export? Now you've heard about what you can export by the Republic. Let's go to Brazil. Let's go to Brazil. What does Nigeria export to Brazil? What does Nigeria export to Brazil? Nigeria export to Brazil last year was about $567,000. What does Nigeria export to Brazil? White chalk. That's funny. But Nigeria export white chalk to Benin Republic. Nigeria export pet flakes to Benin Republic. Nigeria export processed hibiscus flour to Benin Republic. Nigeria export urea to Benin Republic. Nigeria export cold wash PET plastic bottle to Benin Republic. Nigeria export Retalo aluminum case to Benin Republic. Various fashion and artifacts to Brazil. Sorry, not Benin Republic. I'm so sorry. Brazil. White chalk to Brazil. Various fashion and artifacts to Brazil. Retalo aluminum case to Brazil. Processed hibiscus flour to Brazil. PET flake to Brazil. Granular urea in bulk to Brazil. Cold wash PET plastic bottle to Brazil. Bovine bi-concentrate were sold to Brazil. Ankara material. You know, Brazil speak, there are people that speak Yoruba in Brazil and Cuba. So there are Yoruba people there. Ankara fabrics, Ankara material were exported to Brazil. Were exported to Brazil. Aluminium ingot. Aluminium processed waste. Aluminium class processed waste were exported to Brazil in the year 2022. Which other country does Nigeria export to apart from Brazil? Nigeria export to Bulgaria. But you know the interesting thing about Bulgaria? Even though there are few items exported to Bulgaria, but Nigeria export to Bulgaria is about $1.2 million. $1.2 million. What does Nigeria export to Bulgaria? Raw cocoa beans. What does Nigeria export to Bulgaria? Whole sesame seed. What does Nigeria export to Bulgaria? Nigeria cocoa beans. What does Nigeria export to Bulgaria? Cotton yarn. Cotton yarn. These are the items exported by Nigeria to Bulgaria in the year 2022. Let's look at Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. Burkina Faso. What does Nigeria export to Burkina Faso, by the way, in 2022 is about $5.8 million. $5.8 million. That's the export of Nigeria to Burkina Faso. What does Nigeria export to Burkina Faso? Nescafe. Now, remember I said this particular edition of the video is to give you an idea of what Nigeria export that you yourself can buy and export. Because Nigerians are already doing it to those countries, that means you also can do it. Nescafe branded cup paper, Nescafe, Maggi seasoning, Nigeria export to this particular country, Burkina Faso. Hamilton KS box, extra neutral alcohol, 96%. Empty 65 cl green beer bottle. Empty generic 300 ml bottles. Dark blue reflexive glass. Dangote fertilizer. Craven Click cigarette. Clear float glass. Bedroom slippers. Adult size. Bedroom slippers. Adult size are all items that Nigeria currently exports to this country, Burkina Faso. How about our neighbor Cameroon? How about our neighbor Cameroon? What does Nigeria currently export to our neighbor in Cameroon? What does Nigeria currently export to our neighbor in Cameroon? Let's look at Cameroon, for example. Cameroon. What does Nigeria currently export to Cameroon? You know, it's interesting to see what Nigeria currently exports to Cameroon. You know, and sometimes, like I said, when you look at some of these products, the essence of going through it is actually to give you an idea of what Nigeria currently exports to those countries and to let you know that you also can export those products. You know that Cameroon is very close to Nigeria. Very, very close to Nigeria. Is having a border with Nigeria. What is the volume? First of all, let me show you the volume. $45 million. $45 million. That is the volume of Nigeria currently export to Cameroon. $45 million. What are the Nigeria export to Cameroon? Wall tiles and floor tiles. Dettol liquid. Tissue paper. Jumbo tissue paper. Cigarette. Rotma cigarette. Origin metal crown cork. Nescafe. Malta Guinness. Lambert butter king size. Granular urea. Fertilizer. Empty bottle 660 cl. Empty bottle 600 mils. Empty bottle 300 mils. Empty bottle 60 mils. Diplomat menthol cigarette. Crown cap FES crown. CO2 gas. Clinker for cement. Branded aluminum can. So Nigeria produce aluminum can. Branded aluminum can. Benzene cigarette. Are all the products, non-alcoholic and alcoholic drinks, are all the products Nigeria currently export to Cameroon. Now, like I said, why are we talking about this? Why is it important to talk about this? The reason why it's important to talk about this is to give you an idea, what does Nigeria currently export to this destination? I'm sure in the next video will be of interest to you, because that will include what Nigeria export to Canada. You want what Nigeria export to Canada, that you want to ship to Canada? See me in the next video. Thank you very much for stopping by. Like the video, share with your friends, and as many people as possible who you think this video will be of interest to them. And the whole lesson of this video is to let you know what Nigeria export currently, where they export to, and the volume of items they export to those countries. See you in the next video as I talk about export of Nigeria to Canada. My name is Dele Ayemibo, and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out.